Hello again. I'm going to play some more. So you were just here for part 1. Well, you were here for part 3 basically. But I did some gold and some pink down here with some white cell activator. And I liked how much it looked. I'm going to do some more. So that's the Mayan gold, pink diamond. And I think I'm just going to try and add it directly. I'm not sure that that's going to work, but I think we'll find out. Because I like the contrast. The added white was good. I think I'm going to wipe that off and try it the way I tried it before. By starting with the white, adding the black. Let's go right in here. Yeah, I like the contrast a lot. The black and white afterthought is good. I like it very much. I'm definitely inclined to do it some more. I wish I had a little more room on my table. Let's use all that paint right in there. Well, that did not sell up like the other did, but it doesn't mean it won't, because sometimes it takes a minute. It's probably a really good idea to wipe that off. Maybe I'll use some purple in there. So that's wiped off. Let's do a little gold. And some more black. That's closer to what I had in mind. Definitely. So something else in here. Wipe off my paddle, or my acetate tool. I have a smaller one, but I haven't had that much luck with the smaller ones. Don't have as much impact for me. Plus they don't hold as much cell activator. Yes, I am liking what I am getting much more than what I had. So I'm going to go, I think I wanted to start with gold, so I might double dose it with the pink. Let's just go up here too. I've got some orange cell activator I haven't tried using yet. This might be the perfect time for that. Remember to wipe off my acetate tool. Sometimes it doesn't seem like it matters, but right now it does. I wasn't 100% on that. I can see the cells coming up. Cool. I want to add a little bit of that pink carnation. Then I'm going to do the black and white again, I think. Wipe off your tool. Alright, that's kind of interesting. I'm going to lead some of it down through this. I'm going to use some of my combination of Orange Crush with Big Apple in it if it'll come out. Right there on that carnation. Come on out. Wipe off my tool. I'm having a good time. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I'm going to do less white so it doesn't drip off. A little black. And a little gold again. Cautiously release my residuals. I think I might be almost done. It's very cool. Feels like some sort of cavern in a fantasy. I never did put any spirals in at all, and I kept thinking I wanted to. And once I start, it's hard to stop. But I think I want some. Maybe a couple waggles too. These drag marks from the basting brush, modified basting brush I should say, remind me of tree roots. I'm just glad I didn't do any torching. No, that's awesome. I'm happy with that. I am going to take a little Chantilly lace. And lead it right up there. And that, when it dries, sparkles like diamonds. I'm not sure it needed it. I'm loving the texture in a bunch of different places. I'm happy that I took my time and didn't quit. I might have a few places that I would like to mess with on the edges, but I'm not going to worry too much about it. I'm going to show you that. That was a work in progress that was fun to do. Anytime I have any paint, I'm just going to apply it to my edges as best I can, so as to change them up from what they are, which isn't very impressive right at the moment. I'm going to torch. I'm going to let you guys go. I told you everything I needed to tell you at the end of the last video, with the possible exception of my paint pouring recipes, which most of you probably heard before, are available underneath the video under Show More. I got sort of a funky color in there, but a couple spirals won't hurt that, I'm sure. And I am going to keep looking. I see some bubbles. I got to keep my cells that I liked here and add some more. And I'm feeling like the colors are pretty well balanced, with the possible exception of one little spot. That I would like to fix, even while I'm holding on to the torch in one hand. There. That's intense. That's really a lot of fun. To say it was busy might be an understatement, but it's got a lot of interest. You guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. I post at noon most days. I think I mentioned that already. Also that I sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. can't think of what I didn't tell you. I didn't mention Society 6 or the Gallerist. They're both in the link tree. The link tree is under Show More. Don't forget to use that Colour Arte coupon. Hey, you know what? I could go in and shimmer for you, probably. I could try anyway. Oh yeah, check that out. Wow. I just caught an awesome reflection. The old and the new together are tremendous. The dry and the wet. Let's zoom right in there. Give you a few. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm so easy. Ooh, shiny. I wish I had 3 hands. I really, really do when it comes to holding the phone and trying to adjust the camera. Alright, you guys. Bye for now. This is bugging me. It either needs another one or a few more. Yep. Alright. Wow, I'm going to have to stand here and look at this for a few minutes under my phone's flashlight because that is so cool. Alright, bye for now. Priscilla out.